Good day, grade 11 learners. Welcome to Chavalala Accounting Tutoring. So on today's video, we are going to talk about bank reconciliation. Let me first explain the term bank reconciliation. Bank reconciliation, that's where we are talking about the omission and errors that is made by the business. That's where we are supposed to record the outstanding deposit and outstanding EFT. So without waste of time, let's go to question number 1. Okay. 1.1, it says calculate the correct totals for the cash receipt journal and cash payment journal for February 2025. Meaning here we are going to record under we are supposed to record under cash receipts and cash payment journal so that we can get the totals. 1.2, calculate the current bank account balance on 28 February 2025. So here on 1.2, we are going to calculate the bank balance, which we are going to record on the bank reconciliation here at the bottom, which is it's 4 marks, né? And then we go to 1.3. 1.3, it says prepare the bank reconciliation statement as at 28 February 2025. And then it's 8 marks. Okay, let's go to our information. Smangele, the bookkeeper from Stoller Stores, compared the bank statement received from ABC Bank for February 2025 with the business's January 2025 bank reconciliation statement and the cash journals for February 2025. The following differences were noted. Adjustment number A, the bank account in the general ledger on 1st February 2025 prepared by Simangele reflected a positive balance of 28,100. So this one, we are going to use this amount to calculate the bank account. So meaning we are going to write this amount here, which is 28,100. And then information number B, before inspecting the February 2025 bank statement, the provisional totals in the February 2025 cash journals were as follows. So as you can see, our cash receipt journal is 206,200. And then our cash payment journal is 222,500. This is our cash receipt and cash payments before we check the errors and the omissions. So as you can see here, we are already given on the answer book. So sorry, I made a mistake here. It's 206,200. Yeah, 206,200. And then we go to information number C, EFT 921 for 5,875 appeared on the bank reconciliation statement as outstanding for January 2025. This amount was correctly reflected on the February 2025 bank statement. Whenever they say that this amount was correctly reflected on the bank statement, meaning we have nothing to do with this amount because this amount already appeared on the bank statement. So We skip this one to number D. Number D, rent of 8,500 received on 28 February 2025 was recorded in the relevant cash journal from a proof of payment received from the tenant. This transaction did not appear on the bank statement dated 25 February 2025. It is expected to appear on the March bank statement. Amount is already recorded on the cash receipt journal, but it was not recorded on the bank statement, meaning we're supposed to record that money on the bank reconciliation statement. So on the bank reconciliation statement, we are going to see credit outstanding deposit, which is 8,500. It's credit outstanding deposit of 8,500. So we should record on the credit side, since here we are receiving money. Whenever we receive money on the bank reconciliation statement, we should record on the credit side. But if ever it's a payment, meaning we should record that money on the debit side. I hope we are clear on this one. We go to number E. An EFT for 8,300 received from Samantha Schumann. A debtor was correctly recorded in the bank statement for February 2025. Okay, they are saying this amount was correctly recorded on the bank statement. So, meaning we are not going to fix anything on the bank statement. Then, this EFT was incorrectly recorded as 3,800 in the relevant cash journal. So, yeah, this amount was recorded as 3,800 in the cash on the cash payment journal. This CFT was incorrectly recorded as 3,800 in the relevant cash journal. So meaning here we recorded 3,800 instead of 8,300, meaning we recorded less. So we are supposed to go back to the cash receipt journal and record that difference. So to get that difference, we are going to say 8,300 minus 3,800. 8,300 minus 8,300, which gonna give us 4,500. So we are going to record this 4,500 under cash receipt journal. And then we go to number F. Number F, Miriam Moodley, a debtor, transferred an amount directly into the bank account of Sithole Stores in settlement of her account of 2,750. Miriam Moodley, he or she was a debtor. So now, Miriam Moodley, she was a debtor. So now she's deciding to pay 2,750. So and then Miriam received a 6% cash discount on this transaction, which appeared only on the February 2025 bank statement. Miriam received a 6% discount from that 2,750. So now we have to calculate that discount so that we can deduct from 2,750, meaning that is the amount that we are going to record under cash receipt journal. So here we're gonna say 2,750 multiplied by 6%, which gonna give us which is going to give us it's 165. 165. So now we're gonna say 2750 minus 165, which is going to give us 2585. 2800. eh? No, sorry, 2585. So we are going to record this amount under cash receipt journal. 2500. 2585. Okay, before I forget, guys, I am begging everyone who's watching this video to subscribe on our channel, so that like you can simply find the other videos. You will stay updated whenever we upload the other videos. So can you please subscribe, guys? To subscribe is for free. It won't even cost you. It's free to subscribe. So I will appreciate everyone who's going to subscribe under this channel. So now we go to number G. A deposit of 4,190 received on 25 February for cash received from sales was incorrectly entered in the cash receipt journal as 4,110. Here you need to be careful. This amount was incorrectly entered in the cash receipt journal as 4,910, and that deposit is 4,190, meaning here we recorded more on our books. We recorded more. So now to deal with this situation, it's very easy, guys. It's very easy. So what we're gonna do now, we have to calculate that difference first. We have to get the difference, meaning we're gonna say 4,910 minus 4,190, which gonna give us it's 720. So we are going to record this amount under cash payment journal. Why? We are returning that amount since we recorded more. We record on our books. We recorded 4,110 instead of 4,190. So to cancel that amount, we are supposed to record that difference under cash payment journal, which is 720. I hope I'm clear with this one. We go to number H. Number H, it says a deposit for 12,500 from a supplier for a cash refund dated 23 February 2025 was not recorded in the respective cash journal. It was correctly recorded on the February bank statement, meaning this amount it was correct. It was recorded on the bank statement, meaning we are not going to do anything under bank statement. So now what we're gonna do, we are going to record this 12,500 since it was not recorded under cash receipt journal. 12,500. So we are done with number H. So now we go to number I. Number I, it says the annual insurance premium in respect of the owner personal life insurance was paid via debit order 1,260. This appeared on the February 2025 bank statement only. Again, guys, again, here we are not going to record this amount under bank statement, as they say that it's already reflected, it's already appeared on the bank statement, meaning now we are going to deal with only, we are going to focus only on the journals, which is cash payment journal. Why are we recording this amount under cash payment journal? Because it's insurance, like we are paying as the business. It's an expensive, it's not income, we are not receiving. So we are going to record this 1,260 under cash payment journal. 1,260. So we are going to, it's number J. Number J, it says bank charges of 885. Bank charges we are paying, guys. This, I hope this one is very clear. Bank charges. So here we're gonna record bank charges of 885. 885, and then this statement still continues. And interest on favorable bank balance of 95. Okay, interest on favorable bank balance, guys. It means like here you are getting an interest for having a positive balance in your bank account. So this one, as we are receiving, we are getting interest for having positive balance. We are going to record this 95 under cash receipt journal. It's 95. Do not make mistake on this one, guys. This one is recorded separately, as you can see. 885 under cash payment journal and 95 under cash receipt journal, as we are receiving here. Okay. We go to number what? We go to number K. A deposit for 9,620. Remember, deposit we are receiving, meaning here we are going to focus on the cash receipt channel. A deposit for 9,720 dated 26 February 2025 was not reflected in the February 2025 bank statement. This amount appeared correctly in the cash receipt channel for February. Okay, this amount was not appeared on the bank statement. It was appeared only on the cash receipt channel. So meaning you are no longer going to record anything under cash receipt channel, as it's already appeared. So what we are going to do, we are going to record this amount under bank reconciliation statement. This was not recorded on the bank statement. So what we are going to do, we are going to say credit outstanding deposit. We are starting with credit here because we are going to record this amount under or on the credit side. If you are going to record the amount on the debit side, meaning you are going to first you are going to say debit outstanding whatever. So now it's credit outstanding credit outstanding deposit. Do not mind my handwriting, guys, because you can also see that it's hard to write on this small board. I can't write properly, so like, yeah, apology for that. So that outstanding deposit, it was how much? It was 9,720. 9,720. Okay, we are done with this one. We are going to number L. The payment for an online purchase from Cheque for business supplies. 1,840 was omitted from the relevant case journal. It was okay. Before we continue, they are saying that this amount was omitted on the cash journal, meaning this 1,840 was omitted on the cash payment journal. So we are going to record this amount, 1,840. So when we continue with the transaction, this amount, it was also incorrectly duplicated on the February 2025 bank statement. The bank has promised to correct this error in March 2025. When they say this amount was incorrectly duplicated, meaning this amount is recorded twice. This 1,840 is recorded twice on the cash payment journal by mistake. So now we have to fix this 1,840, and the only part where we can fix this this situation is bank reconciliation statement, since we are reconciling here. So meaning we are going to bank reconciliation statement, and we're gonna say credit amount wrongly debited. Credit amount. Here am I handwriting? Credit amount. I hope you can see this. As long as you are able to see the amount. The only thing that matters is the amount. Credit amount wrongly debited. It was wrongly debited because it was recorded twice. So now we are going to record this 1,840 on the debit side. Like in other ways, we are cancelling that other 1,846. It was recorded twice by mistake. So we are done with this one, 1,840. We go to number M. Number M, they are saying the following EFTs, all dated 28 February 2025, were not reflected on the bank statement for February 2025. They were correctly recorded in the relevant cash journal. Okay, this amount was not recorded on the bank statement. So meaning we have to record now on the bank reconciliation statement. So we are going to say debit outstanding debit outstanding EFTs. So we have EFT number 996, EFT number 996, which is how much? 3,500. Then again we have EFT number 1001, EFT number 1001, which is how much? 1,240. So yeah, as I said at the beginning, Okay guys, can I correct something? I think I made a mistake on this one. This one, we are supposed to record this one on the credit side, not on the debit. Sorry for confusion, guys. It's 1,840. This one is supposed to be on the credit side because it was recorded. It was recorded twice on the cash payment journal. So now we are retaining that amount, meaning we have to cancel on the other side, on the credit side. So as case, guys, as case. Sorry for that. Then if you still remember, I said here at the bottom we have balance as per bank account. We are going to record the amount that we're gonna get from 1.2. Then at the top, always we have balance as per bank statement. Always, guys. So we are not sure whether it's going to be debit or credit. So for now, let's write balance as per bank statement. Then here we have balance. Even this one, we're not sure whether it's credit or not. Be credit on the credit side, on the debit side. So we're gonna write balance as per bank account. Always here at the bottom we have balance as per bank account. Then at the top it's balance as per bank statement. So now we have to calculate the totals. We have to get the totals. We have to get the totals. Our total, to get the totals on the cash receipt journal, we are going to say 206,200 plus 4,500 plus 2,585 plus 12,500 plus 95, which is going to give us 225,808. 225,808. 808. Then under cash payment journal, we're also going to add all of this amount, which gonna give us 227,205. 227,205. So now we are going to take this 225,808, we add here on 1.2, 225,880. Then we minus this one from the cash payment journal. Since here we are paying, we add the cash receipt journal, then we minus the cash payment, which is 227,205, which gonna give us 26,775. 26,775. So sometimes, guys, make sure that you confirm with your calculators, because here we can make a mistake sometimes. We can make a mistake, so just make sure that you verify with your calculators. So now we have to calculate this amount. We are going to take this amount. As you can see, this is bank account, and even here it's balance as per bank account. So meaning we are going to record this amount there, which is 26,775. 26,775. So here we're gonna say debit. This is on the debit side, debit balance as per bank account. So okay, I forgot adjustment number N. Number N says the bank statement reflected a closing balance of balancing figure 128 February 2025. Here we are not given an amount, so meaning we have to, sometimes you might be given an amount and then they say this is bank statement as what. So now we are not given, meaning we have to calculate. So now what we are going to do here, first you take your calculator and you add all the amount from debit side, and then after you add the amount from credit side. Actually we are comparing which side is bigger between debit side and credit side. If debit side is bigger than credit side, meaning we are going to close with debit side. If credit side is bigger than debit side, meaning we are going to close with credit side. So here, since I've already done my calculations, when I will confirm with your own calculator. So here, our biggest side, it's debit side, 3,500 plus 1,240 plus 2,000, 26,775. It's gonna give us 31,515. 31,515. Also this side we gonna write 31. Even when the totals are not the same, but here you have to write the same amount. You will also get like a framework for, actually this one are the frameworks, guys. You must make sure that you get this one, because this one is for everyone. So everyone, it's 31,515. So now, as we want the amount for balance as per bank statement, so now what you're going to do, you're gonna take this total and you minus 1,840, you minus 9,720, and you minus 8,500, which is going to give us 11,455. 11,455. So this is going to be credit balance. This is coded on the credit side. So yeah, I hope we are done with today's lesson. So yeah, see you on the next video, guys. So make sure that you subscribe so that you can easily access the part 2. Thank you.